we appreciate you being with us live here from World of Concrete 2012 on ForConstructionPros.com. And I just thought I'd mention what stays in Vegas, or what happens in Vegas, doesn't always stay in Vegas. Boy, did I blow that one, didn't I? Anyways, with me here is Doug Herbert, who's a contractor from Atlanta, Georgia.
That's right.
And Doug, we're going to talk about what you've seen at the show, what interests you, what has fascinated you so far, and what you take away from these very important, interesting shows.
Sure, I've seen a couple of interesting things here at the show. The first product that I really like is the Ashlar Stone aluminum form from Wall Ties. Once that form is in place and the concrete is poured, the look of that form, or look of that concrete wall, is very realistic to an actual stone veneer. So I really like that.
Really? Now, what's your company do primarily? What are you engaged in back home?
Sure, we're a concrete foundation contractor in Metro Atlanta. So we pour the basements for a lot of the new homes that are built in Atlanta.
And there, what aspects are there to the slab, I'll say slab pouring, that you can take away from this show and incorporate into your business?
Sure. The majority of what we do are the actual footings and walls, and so that aluminum panel really interested me. Another product that I really liked, a lot of our walls have rebar reinforcing, and a product that I saw that I really liked is the computer-controlled program for a rebar cutter bender from Rod Chomper, and that would really speed up the fabrication of rebar.
Yep. And are there other aspects of the show that you could say, you know, I'm glad I went, I spent the time, the money, took the effort to go here, and is it a networking thing? Is it something that you can just put your finger on and then, 6 months from now say, I'm really glad I went to the show because I can definitely use this, whatever, idea, product, whatever?
You're exactly right. The biggest benefit, as a foundation contractor, we're members of the Concrete Foundation Association.
Okay.
And every time we come to the World of Concrete show, we see so many other members, and just the time talking with them and meeting with them and hearing how they're doing and what they're doing differently and what's working for them, that allows us then to bring that back to our office and to our shop and figure out how we can use that and apply it into our business.
Yeah.
Every time we come and network with our friends, we get at least one thing that we can go home and immediately implement, and that's huge for us. That pays for the cost of the show many times over.
See, that's what we're looking for, and I'm sure that's what hopefully a lot of the guys that are here are looking for as well, and that's why people come to these shows. If you're out there and you're watching on For Construction Pros, you weren't able to make it this year, well, certainly then you can make plans for future years. That you can learn so much, see so much.
Right.
There's so much hands-on, which is really amazing. It's not just static displays here, but there's outdoor lots, and they're chopping and cutting and digging and you name it.
That's right.
Whatever they're doing, just to show what their products are capable of doing. Doug Herbert, thank you very much.
Great to see
Appreciate you taking the time to be with us.
Sure, thank you.
And we'll be right back here in just a couple of moments on ForConstructionPros.com.